Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Adobe PDF Printer missing. Alright, let's begin. First, check if Adobe Acrobat is properly installed. Open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, and make sure Adobe Acrobat, not just Adobe Reader, is installed. The PDF printer only comes with Acrobat. Second, restart the print spooler service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Print Spooler, right-click it, and choose Restart. Once restarted, close the window. Third, repair Adobe Acrobat installation. Open Adobe Acrobat, go to the menu in the top left corner, then select Help and click Repair Installation. Follow the prompts and complete the repair. After these steps, your Adobe PDF printer should appear and work properly. So, that's basically how you can fix Adobe PDF Printer missing. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.